A scratchy throat and frequent episodes of coughing are common symptoms of a dry cough, which can be unpleasant and bothersome. In addition to the over-the-counter drugs that are frequently used to treat symptoms, there are other efficient home remedies that can offer relief. In this video, we will discuss a number of easily accessible, all-natural remedies for dry cough. 1. Honey and lemon. A well-known and successful treatment for a dry cough is a honey and lemon concoction. Lemon offers vitamin C and aids in the breakdown of mucus, while honey functions as a natural cough suppressant and soothes the throat. In a cup of warm water, combine 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey and the juice of half a lemon to make this treatment. Mix thoroughly and sip it gradually. For extra taste and calming effects, you can also add a pinch of cinnamon. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger has been used medicinally for a long time, and one of its many uses is the relief of cough and sore throat. Making ginger tea is simple and might help relieve the symptoms of a dry cough quickly. Slice a fresh ginger root thinly and drop it into a cup of boiling water to make ginger tea. After letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, drain the liquid and taste test before adding honey. For best results, consume the ginger tea while it's still warm. 3. Steam inhalation. This easy-to-use yet efficient method relieves cough and congestion brought on by a dry cough. By hydrating the throat and airways, inhaling steam helps to ease discomfort and encourage calm. Boil a kettle of water and carefully pour it into a large bowl to practice steam inhalation. For extra advantages, mix with a few drops of essential oils, like peppermint or eucalyptus. Lean over the bowl and cover your head with a towel to form a tent. Take long, deep breaths of the steam for a few minutes. To avoid burns, take care not to get too close to the hot water. 4. Salt water gargle. By lowering inflammation and eliminating bacteria in the throat, gargling with warm salt water helps ease sore throats and reduce coughing. Half a teaspoon of salt should be dissolved in a glass of warm water to make a salt water gargle. Before spitting it out, gargle the fluid in your throat for approximately 30 seconds. For optimal effects, repeat many times a day, especially right before bed. 5. Thyme tea. Thyme is a herb with antibacterial and expectorant qualities that makes it a great treatment for dry coughs. Tea made with thyme can help reduce coughing spells and release mucus. Steep a handful of fresh or dried thyme leaves in a cup of boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes to make thyme tea. After straining the liquid, taste and add honey as needed. Warm thyme tea should be consumed as frequently as possible, ideally 2 or 3 times a day. In conclusion, although a dry cough can be uncomfortable, there are a number of natural therapies that work well to relieve symptoms without the need for over-the-counter drugs. These natural remedies, which range from ginger tea and steam inhalation to honey and lemon, can help relieve a scratchy throat, stop coughing, and encourage healing. For an accurate diagnosis and course of treatment, you should see a medical professional if your cough lasts more than a few weeks or if it is accompanied by other worrisome symptoms. What do you think about our videos? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.